Okay, so I think I left off with my roof drains and my storm drains, and this first two sets on the left side. So what I need to do, I need to pick up these other two sets on the right side of the equation. Okay, so I think that I'm going to start off on the roof. This is the roof. This is the second floor of the roof. This is the second floor roof drain. This is the planar area. We're just looking down on it, right? There's two different planes. So this is a lower plane. This is a higher plane looking down. So I'm going to start off with the roof and kind of duplicate these two roof drains. I think this is the roof drain and that is the overflow. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna highlight this and create a similar, right, and go through the same exercise, because for this, in order for it to be placed, it has to be placed on a work plane, right? So gonna go to this work plane, place on work plane, and it will go here. Okay, I don't know what kind of structure is under this, but we're gonna find out. That's the fun part. Okay, so we're gonna assign the square footage that this drain is gonna handle, and it's gonna be half or the similar or the same, the exact same as this one. So it was 30, let's see what it is. Yeah, 3660. So we are gonna assign this roof drain as 3630. What? Oh, well, what? It was a similar? Hold up. I don't want to do that. That's too easy. Hold up. So if I pick similar, it's going to give me the same amount of floor square footage. Let's go into this. Let's go into the, man, what's going on here? Let's go into the family. Let's go into the family and get us a roof drain, so we can assign the area, square footage of drainage that it can handle, right? So place on work plane, and we're gonna let's just put it there, and let's see what kind of, man, no. So if I highlight, okay, and let's look at the properties, 3630. Why is it roof area? Why is it giving me 3630? It should be 0. Now, I don't know why it's doing that, why it's so sensitive. It should just highlight instead of, oh man. Okay, I just moved the grid. Let's put that back. 3630. So if I change that to 5,000, you're telling me that this roof drain is going to be 5,000. Okay. Why does it come out as 3630? So it's 3630 because it's half of this. Well, the total is twice as 3630, so it's going to be 3630 area. But I'm going to keep it at 5,000 just because I can do that, and just because it's just a demonstration of how we can apply science to this video. Okay, so let's so this is what happens when you go in the office, right? Things just don't work out when you wake up that morning and and you say, oh, well, this is what I need to do. This is what I need to do. And life will throw you lemonade on it. Man. Okay. Let's look at that section, because what I'm gonna need to do is, you see, now I'm gonna need to bring it down to this roof area. So I'm gonna turn off the architects and the structure and the mechanical, so that I can see the reference plane. And the reference plane is roof 1 ref. Undo that and change the reference work. I'm going to edit the work plane, right? So it looks like I'm not going to be able to get down to the floor with this because of what's going on. I still don't know why that changed. That plumbing fixture, the roof drain plumbing fixture, comes in at 3630. Man, that's got me bedazzled. I'm bedazzled. What am I doing? Oh, I'm changing the reference plane. So let's go to the reference plane, and we are going to specify a new work plane, and it is roof 1 ref. Roof 1 ref. I'm going to move this over so you guys can see, and so that I can see too, that it's going to change to a roof 1 ref. Let's see, roof 1 ref. It should go down. Yeah, okay. So we got that. What do I need? That section? Yeah, I need the section. What am I doing? Where am I looking? So I think that if we look at the second level, what's the... Okay, so let's just take a guess. I'm gonna take a guess, and let's go back to the section so we can look at our pipe. Okay, I know that is a beam, and I'm gonna hover and then tab to find out what that is. Okay, so I know that that's a structural member, and it is a wide flange 21 by 44. No, it's 21, and that's just the pounds, right? So I'm gonna assign my storm pipe, which is my PVC, and then I'm gonna say storm drain. Okay, I'm gonna assign that pipe type to it, and the system is a storm drain, right? Okay, so we go down, and we are going to, am I interfering with something? Let's just draw this out. I'm going to draw it out first. Oh man, I'm not going to slope this. I'm going to come down here, go down through this area. I can see that there's some mechanical. I'm going to get down into this little cavity. This is all dirt here, so I don't want to go in the dirt area. Go here. I'll slope this part. So I'm sloping here. This is a storm drain. And go down again. Go down in the dirt. And come out. Yeah, I think I can slope that and come out here. Okay. So we got that. I'm going to go back, and we're going to take a snapshot of this area to see what kind of interferences we have. I'm going to kind of just take another look at this in a section. Okay, this is 15. Yeah, section 15. But I'm going to look at my my section view in my 3D view in section. So I'll show you what I'm getting ready to do. So on this cube, I can right click on this cube, go to that, I'm going to orient to this section view. And that section view is 15. So we can see what's going on. We're going to do just going to eyeball it with, in order to edit the sketch, I don't want to edit the sketch. I'm going to turn on my other models, which is my structure and my mechanical, so that we can see everything that's going on. Okay, so it looks like I'm shifting and it looks like everything is not on. Let me get out of this and go back to my link view, host, custom model. I'm gonna customize this again. Custom show model categories in this view. Do and all, so that all of these categories will be highlighted or turned on. And let's say yes. Let's check, I'm gonna check the structure also. Yes, 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 yes. Everything is yes today. This is not what I had planned, but this is what happens in real life. I'm not gonna go in and show you guys a nice little polished version of how to do things, because life just don't deal those cards, right? Life just don't deal those cards. I'm gonna cancel this. It looks like everything's cool. Everything's up to snuff. All right, so I'm gonna say okay to that, okay. And I should get, okay, that's what I was looking for, because I knew something was wrong. Now, I can't go in, this is a window, right? I know that's a window because just by the way it looks, but if you didn't know that was a window, I'm going to hover over this object and tab, right? And Revit will tell you what it is, and then I right click or left clicked on it, go to properties. Man, I don't know why this will, there's no pin to this. I'm sure there's no pin. I don't know why it continues to what's the word? Disengage. But let's do properties. Am I on properties? Oh my God, what's going on, man? Am I getting ready to throw this computer out the window? What's going on? Okay, so I need to make this active and go here, tab, here. And that is a glazed mullion. So I know that I can't be in front of the mullion, because mullion people will have a problem with that. Especially millionaires. Okay. Okay. Where am I? So what I'm gonna need to do is reroute this guy. I can go to another view. This one, this roof. Plan, so we can look at I'm doing shift and I'm clicking the, man, ooh wee, there's no way, huh? There's no way. There is no way. Oh, I see. And if you look at the first set on the roof plan, these guys, when we look at the roof plan, it went left. It went left and over here and down in this wall. So it looks like I'm going to have to go right and go down this wall. Okay, so let's turn this guy off. I'm going to turn this off also. Yeah, turn that off. I'm trying to, I think I'm gonna go here. because I know what that is. And just erase all of this. Erase, no, let's keep that part. Erase this guy. What's Revit doing? Highlight tab so that all of it is highlighted. I'm hitting the delete button and going back to my roof plan. But I know that I'm going to need to go to the right and go down in this area. So let's rotate this section view here, and clockwise. Man, something is not right with these graphics. I'm not getting the results. Okay. And I'm going clockwise 90 so that I can get a good view of what's going on, right? So it's already set. And it looks like I'm gonna yeah, okay. I'm gonna move this over a little bit up so it's not even connected now. Okay. Oh man. Why is it so sensitive? That's not cool. So that should be, let's look at the properties again. And PVC, well, it should be cast iron, but there's no cast iron fittings. So I'm going with PVC, which makes it, I'm going with what is coming out of the box with Revit. I'm just gonna leave it at that. I guess I could go to another source and try and find something which I have, but it seems to break after so many sessions. I think that, let's see. What I can do, I'm gonna do a detail line and see if I can go, maybe 8 feet. Let's go 8 feet. Let's go 9 feet. I'm just making a note here. And let's go 9. Slope, yeah, we can slope down. Let's go 9. Here. Let's go here and go back to the roof plan. I'm gonna go second level. Yeah, okay. And second level, we're still sloping. And now let's go back, and I'm trying to go as slow with this, with my picks, but it seems like it's sensitive to going into family editors and my properties and my browsers disconnecting, and man, all kinds of stuff is just a little bit haywire today. I think Revit's taking a day off. I don't know what this is doing. Let's see if I can rotate. And here, rotate. 90 degrees counterclockwise. And let's look at this guy. You know what? I think I'm gonna go straight out just to see where I'm coming out. Oh man. let's draw, and just to come out to see if I'm clearing my window. Okay, so let's see what's the time. Yeah, I'm over. This is well, not that I'm over, but I like to keep it within 18-20 minutes. I'm gonna stop it here, and well, let's just see if I clear this. Okay. Let's go to the roof. Yeah, and shift button. Yeah, I need to go over more. So I'm going to keep this view and tile all of these so that we can see. There's the roof plan. Here's the roof plan. Well, I need the section level, right? This guy. And I'm going to highlight and use my arrow key to the right and continue over. And if you can see, we're going to keep an eye on that guy. Okay. So that it clears. And it looks like it's cleared the window, but there might be some structure elements in this part. Okay. So I'm just going to clear just a little bit more and keep it there. And so the next time when we get together after we have our coffee and donuts, we can continue and just have to see why Revit is doing what it's doing. So anyway, well, I hope that helped, guys. I'll talk to you guys later.